Hi Douglas Fir, it's Allie with our sound of the week. This week, the letter is V. The sound is V. Let's trace a V. Start at the baseline with your two writing fingers. Trace up, curve down, curve back up and out. V. I could practice writing in the sand. Start at the baseline, slanted line up, curve over and down, over and up and out. V. I can write a V with my violet marker on my paper. To write a capital V, it's a lot like a lowercase v. Start at the top. You can do a small loop and then all the way back down, curve and back up and out. Here's how it looks when you're writing it on writing paper. Lowercase v goes up to the midline. The uppercase V starts at the top and ends up at the top. Can you think of anything that starts with a V sound? I thought of my vest. A vest is like a jacket or a shirt with no sleeves. Vest. What else? Do you know anyone that starts with a V? I can think of someone in our class and someone in my family. My mom. My mom's name is Vicky. Here's me and my mom when I was 4. Vicky starts with a V. And I'm thinking of one other thing. A vase. Vase that you can put flowers in or other decorations. I think I'll go on a little walk and find some flowers for my vase. Come on. The dandelions here have already lost their petals. Let's see here. Oh, I see some little flowers. Can you see them? Look, wild daisies. To collect my flowers, I'll use my scissors. You need 2 hands to hold, and then you want to cut really low. Make the stem as long as possible, and making sure you're not cutting any other grass or plants, or you can just use your hands to break the stem. Always leave some of the flowers for the bees. Oh, here's some clover flowers growing. Some other wild flowers blooming. Oh, some yellow buttercups. Okay, now I have some of my wildflowers I collected around the neighborhood, my vase, and cold water. Make sure you always use cold water. Fill it up close to the top, but not too full that it will overflow when you put your flowers in. Then you're ready to start placing your flowers in. If the stem's too long, you might need to cut them. Looks like these are gonna be a little short. Oh, I wish I would have cut them a little longer. That's okay, it'll still look nice. Start to place them in, maybe some of the big ones first. And you can pull off any leaves from the stem that would go into the water. Maybe place some of your big ones in first, and then slowly placing in the other smaller flowers, arranging them and moving them around how you like. If you go and look for flowers around your yard or maybe even neighborhood, making sure that the flowers are ones that you can pick, checking with your parents first and making sure you're not taking any out of anyone's yard. Okay, arranging them a little bit, just how you like it. Sometimes you can get some of the shorter ones to prop up with some of the taller ones. Okay, we did it. That looks nice. I wonder what flowers you'll find around your yard or neighborhood. Have fun.